This is the Gordon 20-in-1 multi-tool from Harbor Freight. I'm very excited about this one. I have been waiting for like 2 months and finally they got it in stock. So I got it. As you see, it comes with a really nice case that you can put on your belt. Open it. Here is the multi-tool. Another clip for your belt. This one comes with a pliers, needle nose, wire cutter, wire stripper, 8-inch ruler. The ruler is really interesting. You gotta open it. It's 8 inches. As you see it right there. Let me see, let me get close. You can see it there at the top. Ruler, come with a bit driver, bottle opener, diamond coated file, wood file, metal file, knife, saw, gut hook, serrated knife, come with a window breaker. The window breaker is down here. It's really small, break glass. You know, with a window breaker, scissors, screwdriver, bit driver, crimper. So, as you see, this is the nose, pliers, wire stripper, wire cutter, right there. Also, let's go over here, this side first. Here you have the scissors, you know, and they push back. You don't have to open it, you know, you push, open. Really nice. Put it back. Then you have here, it's a very small screwdriver here. I think it's flathead. The other side is Phillips. You just take it out. It's really helpful for those screws that are very small on your eyeglasses. Let me see if I can put it back. Okay, I was able to put it back. The screwdriver, you also have here, it's like, that's a good question. What is this? I don't know what it is, but could be another screwdriver for a bigger screw, flathead, maybe. On the other side, you have a screwdriver, flathead. You have the bottle opener. Down here, you have, this is the hook. What is a saw gut hook? You can see there, over here. This is the saw. Then over here, you have the knife. Over here, you have the filer. You have two-side filer. Open it. And I think that's pretty much all, you know. Feels very well made. Like I said, I have been waiting for this because I like to keep it in my truck. I don't carry the tools in my truck. I usually carry the tools inside my RV. So when I go around, I was always wanting to have a knife to cut something, a pliers to pull something. So that's why I wanted this multi-tool that is a 20-in-1 from Harbor Freight. And the price for this is $39.99. It's comparable to Leatherman Wave Plus that is $120. So that's a big discount there, $120 versus $40. I bought this one with a 15% off coupon, so I ended up paying $33. So that's just an overview. If you're looking for a nice, really nice multi-tool, I really highly recommend this one. It's the Gordon 20-in-1 multi-tool from Harbor Freight. If you find this video helpful, give me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.